Welcome back to Phantom Tech. Today we're diving into AMD's Ryzen 9800X 3D CPU that takes its place as one of the most capable processors AMD has ever produced. This isn't just another CPU, it's a genuine leap in architecture, overclocking potential, and power efficiency. And hey, if you're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Let's be honest, it's the kind of support that keeps us tech phantoms from disappearing into the digital mist. The Ryzen 9800X 3D represents a major step forward in AMD's lineup, particularly for enthusiasts looking for more control and higher performance. This chip doesn't just build on the strengths of its predecessors, it addresses many of their weaknesses head-on. With a redesigned cache and core setup, improved thermal performance, and unlocked overclocking, the 9800X 3D is built for those who crave power, efficiency, and versatility. AMD made significant architectural adjustments with the Ryzen 9800X 3D. In the previous 7800X 3D model, the cores were positioned beneath the cache, creating a bottleneck as heat had to pass through the cache before reaching the cooler. The new design flips this arrangement, placing the cores on top and allowing for a more direct heat path to the cooler. This seemingly small change results in big gains in thermal efficiency and overall temperature management. The redesign also integrates the cache into a single chip rather than multiple smaller tiles, eliminating the need for placeholder silicon and enhancing heat dissipation. Combined with AMD's improved thermal resistance layers, this architecture allows the 9800X 3D to maintain lower operating temperatures, significantly cooler than its predecessor by approximately 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. It's as if AMD gave this chip a thermal spa day and it came back ready to perform. Overclocking has traditionally been limited on AMD's 3D V-Cache CPUs, but the Ryzen 9800X 3D changes the game by allowing users to finally push the CPU beyond its factory settings. Unlike the 7800X 3D, which had locked voltage and temperature limits, the 9800X 3D offers a safe overclocking environment. Thanks to the repositioned core design, the improved thermal dissipation means the CPU can safely manage higher voltages and clock speeds without risking overheating or damaging the cores. With stock voltages around 1.13 to 1.18 volts, the CPU achieves impressive results even before overclocking, all while staying cool. The improved cooling efficiency allows users to explore performance tweaks that would have previously been impossible, giving enthusiasts more control over their systems. The Ryzen 9800X 3D doesn't just offer more power, it does so efficiently. In multi-threaded benchmarks like Cinebench R23, the CPU outpaces the previous 7800X 3D by around 25%, while consuming 50% more power. While this may seem like a high power increase, the performance gains validate the redesign, offering a highly favorable power to performance ratio for users who need a CPU that can handle demanding workloads without straining the system's energy demands. In addition to its raw power, AMD's efficient design also keeps the 9800X 3D competitive even against higher core CPUs. In synthetic workloads, the CPU demonstrates a 35% improvement over the 7800X 3D, while consuming only about 21% more power, striking an ideal balance for power-conscious users seeking maximum performance. For gaming, AMD's Zen 5 architecture and 3D V-Cache bring the 9800X 3D to new heights, providing improved speed and smoother performance. Although we're not diving into specifics here, the overall enhancements in cache and thermal efficiency mean the CPU maintains high frame rates even in demanding games while keeping power consumption low. It's all about giving you the best gameplay experience without turning your rig into a space heater. In short, AMD's Ryzen 9800X 3D offers everything you'd expect from a top-tier CPU and then some. Its improved core and cache design deliver substantial cooling advantages and unlock new overclocking possibilities. Combine that with AMD's focus on power efficiency, and you have a processor that meets the needs of both power-hungry tasks and gamers alike. If you're considering an upgrade or looking to build a system that can handle it all, the 9800X 3D is definitely a CPU to watch. Thanks for sticking with us through this deep dive. If you found this review helpful, remember to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Phantom Tech. After all, it's the best way to make sure we don't go poof into the tech ether. And with that, I'm just another Tech Phantom signing out from Phantom Tech. Peace.